that when you fold something along a line, that line becomes like your mirror. Yes or no? That will be your mirror line. Good. Because that's going to be our mirror line when we now unfold the folded parts again. What will the old sheets look like? I want everyone in their notes to draw what the old sheets, listen very carefully to the instruction. I don't need you to draw this. I don't need you to draw this. This is just to explain what happens. I don't need you to draw this, but I want you to draw what the sheet will look like after it has been what? Unfolded. Is the instruction clear, please?
Yes, Uncle.
Thumbs up if you understand the instruction, please. All right, good. You have 3 minutes to quickly do that. And when you're done, just type done in the chat. All right, you don't need to shout. Don't forget mirror line, mirror line. That is something that should always ring a bell in your mind. Mirror line. Okay? Very good.
Finished, Uncle.
When you unfold it, that's not what it's going to look like. Unfold the sheet. That's what I said you should do. What you just drew for me is this. Unfold it and see what it's going to look like. So that's not what it's going to look like. Okay, I can see some people have written done. All right, those of you that are done, let's wait for the others. We're going to wait for the others in a minute, and then we will pick it from there, okay?
Finished, Uncle.
That's wrong. That just shows that you didn't understand it. It's okay. We're waiting for you, those of you that haven't finished yet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're waiting for 2 more people. Let's be quick, please. We haven't got forever. If you're done, write done in the chat. Okay. All right then. Who wants to explain how to do this to us? Okay, Tomiwa and was the first to go up, so Tomiwa would do this. Yes, Tomiwa, go on, please, and explain to me.
So what you do is you put so you put the mirror lines there.
Okay, let's put the mirror lines there. So the mirror line was where we folded it. Yeah?
Yeah.
So you have to first of all put the mirror lines there because the mirror lines are where we have folded it. No. Right?
Yes.
So if the mirror line is where we have folded it, yeah, okay, we put the mirror lines there. What happens again?
And then when you so for the bottom one you put two dots diagonal from each other, and then where
will the dots be?
They will be on.
Okay. Before you
Can I annotate on the screen so
yeah, go on, annotate on the screen. There's no other way for you to show me apart from you annotating on the screen. So yes, go on. By the way, first of all, there's something you needed to do before you do that. Well, go on, Samuel, don't worry, go on. Yeah, I'm waiting for you to annotate on the screen. You say you wanted to annotate on the screen. So go ahead and do that.
It's not.
Okay, don't worry. I know what to do. Is it here? That the first one is gonna be, or here, or the first one is gonna be?
It's going to be here. Wait. On this side.
This side?
No.
This side?
No.
This side?
No.
This side?
Yeah.
Okay. No, Tomiwa. No. No. Okay. I want everyone to stop and listen carefully. The very first thing you need to do is put the original dots there. What did I say?
Put the original dots there.
What are the original? We have one dot here. Yes or no?
Yes.
One dot there.
Yes.
Yes or no, guys?
Yes, Uncle.
Now, Igor, carry on. So what happens if I now unfold? So let's imagine this is a mirror.
Uncle.
I said when you unfold it, it's a mirror. Yes, Igor. So what?
Should I write it on the? Should I annotate it on the screen?
Yes, if it's gonna work for you, because if it's not gonna work, just tell me where to put it.
There's gonna be one there.
Hold on. You should be able to annotate. Yeah, there's gonna be one there. Very good. Because
and one in the bottom corner.
Very good. Does this make sense to everybody?
Yes, Uncle. Yes, Uncle.
A mirror, and we flipped it. It's like, you are moving. You remember how I told you? Use your hand like that down, right? So your hand was like this, and you move it down. Am I making sense? Is it clear to you then?
Yes. If you have on a piece of paper, you can use cheating, but you can also fold the paper.
But you wouldn't always get paper in the exam because you always get paper to help you do that. So you need to be able to what? Use the mirror line. That's not cheating, but you won't have it in the exam. Do you understand now?
Yes.
So piece of paper is advisable to use when you're starting to learn it, but not when you are doing it in the exam. Do you understand? Which means you have to practice. All right, that's that. So let's move on. Thank you, Igor, for that bit. Itelu Akishi. Yeah, so what am I gonna do with the top ones then?
So you have to put the original picture of the dots, and you can also put a line, a dotted line.
Okay. You don't forget that these two dotted line, this one and this one, were because we have folded it. Does that make sense? That was why the lines were there. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay, carry on.
So you have to draw the dots.
Okay, go on. Draw the dots where they're meant to be. Do you want to allocate the screen?
Okay.
Focus on this.
Yeah.
Let me help you to make it better. Let me help you to make it better, but I get what you're saying. So we're gonna put the initial dots, which are these one, yes, no, and this one. Those are the initial dots. Very good. So then what do we do after that?
You use the line as a mirror, and then you put a dot here and a dot here and a dot here.
Very good. Is that clear to everyone now?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
Please, thumbs up if it is clear to you.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Q-Dot, are you there? So here, here, and here. All right, so that's what it looks like. So if yours does not look like that, please correct yourself. Are you all done now? Almost.
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle. Yes, Uncle.
All right. So I'm gonna give you one more because I realized that not everyone got that right the first time. So I'm gonna give you one more. So we have a sheet like this. First of all, let me clean up everything. Mr. Akonde, please give me a minute. I'm almost done. And Emmanuel and Michael, also please give me a minute. So we have a sheet like that, and this is our mirror line. Let me use red for the mirror line so that you guys don't confuse anything. That's our mirror line, yeah, which means we fold it into what? Into half. Yes or no?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
If we're folding it into half, like that, what's the next thing? It would, of course, give us a shape like this. It will give us the shape like that. Yes, no? Right?
Yes, Uncle.
And then we folded it this way. We folded it this way. So that it now gives us a shape like this. Now that we folded it that way, do you understand how we folded it now, guys?
Yes.
So now that we've done it that way, so we can say, we can now put a dot here, put a dot here, put another dot here, and put another dot here. Hello, does this make sense, everyone?
Yes, Uncle.
So if we now unfold it, what will it look like? If we unfold it, what will it look like? I want you to think very carefully. Don't forget, these are mirror line. I'll mark the mirror lines for you to help. This is a mirror line. Yes, no? And this is another what? Mirror line. Is that clear to everybody?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
All right, very good. Get on with that. That's it. Draw it in your notes. Yeah, you can do that. Emmanuel,
Uncle, he just went to the toilet.
are you sure? Because that sounds very convenient that he just right now went to the toilet.
Oh no, he went like 2 minutes ago, but he's not back yet.
Okay. All right. I'm going to send him this link. That is
Yeah.
what I want him to read through today. Yeah.
Yes, Uncle.
Make his notes and answer the questions in it. Does that make sense?
Yes, Uncle.
Show it to him when he comes back. If he needs to answer everything on that topic. Yeah.
Yes, Uncle.
All right. Mr. Akonde.
Yes, Uncle.
Sorry for keeping.
Yes, Uncle.
This is the mirror line. So we have X, Y, Y, X. So I want you to draw what will be on this second part of the shape. Yeah. Do you understand? So what do you need to do? You should be able to draw it yourself. You look at it because you sure? Because I'm going to ask you again and you say, oh, sorry, you got confused in drawing it. So make sure you draw it well then. Is the instruction clear to everyone? So I can to explain.
Yes, Uncle.
Mirror line, you're just flipping it the other way. Yeah, the ones closest to the mirror, you draw them first. The one farthest away from the mirror, they will be on the same vertical and horizontal point. Ife, do you understand what the instruction is?
Yes, Uncle.
Good. Let's get started. Let's be quick on this.
Uncle, I finished.
Finished.
Uncle, I have finished.
This is that.
Finished, Uncle.
Good. Mr. Akonde, you say you've done most of them. Are you telling me that you've made your notes, you've read through them and made your notes? Is that what you're telling me?
No.
You've made notes. Okay, that's very good. So finish them, do the test, and then you can leave. All right. So, Glory, are you there? Ifeoluwa, so where are we gonna have the X's? Where will the X be when we unfold it? So imagine we have folded it, that's when we add just this part, yeah? When we unfold it, that will be our mirror line, isn't it?
Yeah.
So where will the X be?
Will it be near the mirror line?
So the X will be here. Is that clear to you?
Yes, Uncle.
And the Y will be where? Glory? Where will the Y be, Glory?
The Y will be there
Here?
on the other side.
Here and here, right? That-
No, what in the corners?
In the corners, like this, Y and Y, yeah?
Yes.
Will it be at that
We
level?
have to
Or you
move them
should,
up.
or I have to move it up and down, right? Very good. Smart. Does this make sense to everyone, please? Yeah?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes, Miguel.
Another way you can know where the X's would be is because on the first one is on the right, and then on the other one it would have to be on the left.
Yeah,
So it would just be right next to the one.
absolutely. Does this make sense to everyone, please? It's a that's why I told you to use your and, isn't it? It's a reflection of the other. It is a reflection of the other. It's a reflection of the other one. Yes, Igor, go on, please.
So I was using a piece of paper, I folded it, then like I used I folded it, I put paint on one of the sides, and when I flipped and when I closed it and opened it, it's exactly like a mirror line.
Absolutely, because that's exactly what we are doing. But unfortunately, you will not always have a piece of paper in the exam. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? That's why I want you to understand what mirror line does. Does this make sense, everybody?
Yes.
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
So if you got these, give yourself one tick. Let's try another one. I don't expect anyone to be laughing at my square. I mean, at my rectangle, okay? Eh? Shape laughers. This is not your time. You see, look at them, look at them, look at them, look at them laughing. Yeah, this is not your time to laugh. Just draw. Because I know the first thing they will do is they will start laughing. Oh, look at Uncle's diagram. Oh. I use that B. All right, let's move on. Okay, so this is our mirror line. Yeah, let's say this is our mirror line. Okay, yeah. And inside a shape, we have an arrow like this. So what will happen if we unfold the paper? All right. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Uncle.
The other side, what will happen when we unfold the paper?
Finished, Uncle.
Okay, no problem. If you're finished, then
Finished, Uncle.
look over your work. Okay. Has everyone finished, please?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
Right. So,
Yes, Uncle.
Tudor, tell me, please. Do you want to annotate on my screen? Tell me how it will look, Tudor.
I can't annotate on my screen, but I can tell you.
My own arrow. Touch this one. Okay, tell me where it's gonna be then.
So the arrow
Mm-hmm.
will be pointing to the left.
So, and will the arrow start here? Is that where the arrow will start?
Yeah.
No. How close is the head of the arrow to the mirror line on the other?
No, I mean it needs to be closer to the mirror line.
Better. Does this make sense to everyone, please?
Yes, Uncle.
You have to always think also about position, not just orientation. Yep. Tudor got the orientation right at first, but he didn't get the position right. But then he corrected himself that the arrow edge should be there. Is that clear to everybody?
Yes, Uncle.
Very good. Very good. Very, very good. So that means the arrow will look like this. It should be bigger. The arrow will look like this. Right? Is that clear, guys?
Yes, Uncle.
That's it. All right, now let's do diagonal. Let's do diagonal. Let's do diagonal. So let's say we add a shape like this, first of all. Yeah?
Yes.
Actually, no. Let me start with. We add a shape like this. Shape like this. On the shape like that. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we have yeah. So I want you to write in your notes what exactly will happen when it's being rotated. Meaning the other half of the shape looks like this. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, Uncle.
Right? It's like, this is our mirror line. Mirror line. Yeah, let's do that as our mirror line. Are you following me, please? So when we do the mirror line, what are we going to have on the other side? Is that clear?
Yes, Uncle.
Chop, chop, chop. You have just 3 minutes for that. Let's be quick, please, everyone.
So cool.
If you finish, double check your work and wait patiently. Write down in the chats. Don't forget.
Finished, Uncle.
Is that how I wrote my own E? You can. Look at the screen and see what I wrote.
Uncle, I've changed it.
We're waiting for few more people, please. We're waiting for the others. Thank you, Glory, Igor, Mercy, Caleb, Moyo, and Tommy.
I finished.
All right. So who wants to tell us what this one will look like? Anyone? Yes, Caleb? Omit yourself, Caleb, and draw it on the screen.
Okay. I can't annotate, but I'll show you.
Okay, show me what you've drawn.
Okay.
Hold on. 1 minute. Hold on, Caleb. Let me change the view.
It's the wrong way.
Hold on. I'll change the view now so I can see what you've drawn.
This one.
Where is the original one? Where's the original one that I drew on this screen? You need to have drawn that down also.
Oh,
Does that make sense? Because
yes.
I would have guided you. You would have got it wrong, but you made a slight mistake. So that's not very much correct. That's not very much correct. But well done. I understand why you thought that. The only issue was you would have got it right if you drew it correctly the way I drew it. Does that make sense to you? First,
Yes.
I would have helped you with a reflection. Okay? Yeah. Moyo, do you want to show me yours, please? Thank you. Say something and show me yours, Moyo.
Here's mine.
I can't see you. Caleb, please unmute yourself, please. Moyo, please say something so I can see you on the screen.
This is my one.
I still can't see. Hold on, 1 minute. Hold on. I know why. Okay. Where are you? Where is Moyo? Moyo there. Okay, yes. Let me make it, hold on, Moyo. I'm going to make it full screen now.
Okay.
Yeah, now show me, please.
This is it.
Good. Fine, okay, all right. Yeah, it looks like it. It looks like it, even though you didn't draw it exactly the way I drew mine, but it's fine. Okay, it's fine. All right, okay. So let's go to the diagram I drew. Can you all see my screen? Good.
That's okay.
So you would notice that this line E touched the what? Touched the screen, yes or no?
So cool.
All right. And, you know, I always say it's like taking it and moving it this way, yes or no? All right. So, which means this line will come which way? We also go like that, yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
So if that line goes like that, that means everything else will follow like this. Am I following? Yeah. Like this, and the two, of course, this will go like this, like that, something like two, like that. Yeah. However, to make life a lot easier, I'm gonna do something else. Let's say I put a dot here, I put a dot here, and I put a dot here. Where will those dots be? I want you to quickly draw that in your notes before we take a break. And then when we come back, we'll start looking at questions from the test. One of the sections that most people go wrong.
Finished, Uncle. Uncle,
Yeah, I'm listening.
you know when you were doing the E2 one, I don't get why it was rotated downwards for the reflection one.
Well, because don't forget you're rotating at an angle of 45 degrees, aren't you?
Uncle, I finished.
Yeah, you're rotating at an angle of 45 degrees. Don't forget that.
Oh, okay.
Finished, Uncle.
Finish, Uncle.
Has everyone finished, please?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
All right. So tell me, please, where will it be? Show me where it's going to be, where the dots are going to be. Show me on my screen.
Oh, okay. The first dot is going to be here because if you flip it, this first dot, if you flip it, will be like here.
Yeah. So Mikhail said a dot is going to be there. All right. Do you guys agree with Mikhail?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
All right. Where is another dot going to be?
And then after, there will be 2 dots here. Like you can just copy where this two were.
So we're going to have one here and one here. Yes or no? Yeah.
Uncle.
Good. Now, let me now say this. Those of you that said when it is double fold, yeah, you get it mixed up. Now, let's imagine this is another what? Mirror line. So I want you to draw what the bottom part will look like. Do you understand what I'm trying to say now? Hello?
Yes,
Yes, Uncle.
Forget,
Yeah.
forget the fact that this was a mirror line before. Yeah, that one, let's just say it's a normal line that is in the diagram. What will the bottom part now look like? Is that clear to you?
Yes, Uncle.
The mirror line is that line in the middle there. So let's be quick. Let's be quick.
No,
So you are given this shape, you are given all of this shape with all those dots in it. So you need to draw what the second part, the bottom part will be, if this line is our mirror line.
Oh, okay.
Is that clear now?
What it would look like without the line.
You're given this. Yeah?
Yes.
Now, what will the bottom part look like if this is our mirror line?
Uncle, I finished.
Do you understand now?
Yes.
Yes, God, that's fine, but wait for your time. Wait for the time, okay?
Finished, Uncle.
Finished, Uncle.
Finish, Uncle.
All right, are you done?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
No, Uncle.
Let's be quick. Let's be quick. We haven't got forever, please. So those that haven't finished, be quick on this one.
Uncle, I finished.
Okay, thank you.
Uncle, I think I'm finished.
You finished?
I think so, but I'm a bit confused because with this first one, there's 6, and then with this one, there's 5.
So that means you haven't finished. All right, Igor, yes, please go ahead and tell us.
So, should I annotate it on screen?
Yeah, annotate on the screen.
I'll just use black. So, it would be, it's not working. There,
Uh-huh.
here,
Mm-hmm.
here,
Mm-hmm.
here,
Mm-hmm.
here.
No, exactly. Move it to the proper position, though. No, I know where you want to put it, but okay, you know what? Let me help you put it in the right places. You've shown where it's gonna be, but to make it a lot easier, let me just so you said it's gonna be there, right?
Yeah.
And one is gonna be here, and one is gonna be here, and one is gonna be here. Yeah? Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Carry on. Carry on. And then you said one is gonna be here. Yes or no? And then the other will be like that.
One's gonna be there,
Uh-huh.
and and that's all.
And that's all. So if you look at it, you realize that this one and this one are like that. This one are like that. Yes or no? This one like this one. So it's basically you are translating. It's like you are reflecting it. Which way? You're reflecting it what? Vertically. Why? Because your mirror line is there. Is that clear to everyone, please?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
When we have double folds, yeah, when we have double folds, it is important to make sure that, number one, we keep all what? We keep all lines unfolded exactly the same way. What was folded first will be what? Will be mirrored. What was folded second will be mirrored. Is this clear to you?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
Very good. Very good. So at this point, we'll quickly take a 12 minutes break. 12 minutes break, during which I would expect you to go use the toilet, eat, drink anything you want to drink, come back, and we will pick up. Tudor, are you here? Igor, are you here? I didn't say you should go yet. I'm still giving instructions.
I am.
Well, Tudor is keeping the whole class waiting. Tudor, are you here? I always say, look at the way they were folded. You will unfold it in the opposite direction, and the folding line becomes your what? Your mirror
Line.
line. So if you If you look at everyone, please mute your mic so that we don't get a reverberation. Ego, mute your mic. If you look at the first one, you realize that this first corner was folded in, yes or no?
Yes, Uncle.
Right? And then the second corner was folded in. And then what happened? They punched a hole that is like a rectangle. Can you see the hole there, everyone? So if that hole is reflected, the flat part of the rectangle will be like that. And then it will go like that. Yes or no?
Yes,
Are you with me, guys? And the same thing for this one. It will be like that, then it will go like that. Yes or no?
Yes, Uncle.
Yeah.
Which means these two small triangles will be like this. And then the second one, like this. Like this. Is that clear? So tell me, in that case, the answer will be what, Mercy?
Also, I put my hand up because I need to get the charger.
Okay, all right. So tell me the answer. What do you think the answer will be?
Maybe will it be B?
B, not maybe, darling. We have to be sure. Because don't forget what happens. When you unfold it, you reflect it along the what? The line of the mirror. The what? The mirror line. Is that clear to you?
Yes,
Ellen,
Uncle.
I want you to focus, please. You seem to be fiddling. Focus, please. Thank you. All right, quickly go grab your charger now. Thank you. Mercy. All right. Is this clear to everyone, please?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
If you have any question, raise up your hand now. If you have any question, raise up your hand now. Okay. All right. No questions. That's good. Let's look at number 2. Again, what happens? It was folded at the edge there. And then the bottom part was also folded before they punched a hole. Now, look at the kind of hole that was punched. They punched a rectangle here and they punched two squares there. What did I say we must do along the folding line? We must reflect. Is that clear to you?
Yes, Uncle.
So what I will always tell my students is anytime you are in an exam hall, okay, or anytime you're doing a test that involves something like this, draw what the shape should look like, as in draw the reflected shape before you look at the answers. Is that clear?
Yes, Uncle.
So which is what I'm gonna do now. If I draw the reflected shape, that means I'm gonna have a small rectangle like that. There, if you laugh at my drawing, I will kick your backside. Yeah. Okay, better not. Well, I can see you're about to start laughing. All right. And then this square would have two squares there. Am I making sense to everybody?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
They are reflected along the what? The mirror
Line.
line. Thumbs up if you understand what we have just done, please. Thumbs up if you understand what we have just done, please. Okay, thank you. So in that case, what will our answer be, Igor?
Your answer would be A.
Hey, you see how easy it is to pick the answer because we have already drawn it and we can see what the shape would be like.
Yes, Uncle.
All right, very good. Now it's everyone's turn to what? To do the magic. So we're going on to question number 3 now. Oh, those are practice sections. Yeah, those are just practice. Let's go to question number 1 and question number 2. So I want everyone to do question number 1 and 2 in their notes themselves. You are not drawing, you are only writing the answers. After which I will ask each student to tell me what the answer is.
Uncle, should I start?
I said everyone do number 1 and 2 in your notes.
Okay.
Finish number 1 and 2, Uncle.
Huh?
Uncle, I finished them now.
Number 1 and 2.
What did you say, Ayo? Tell me what.
I finished number 1 and 2.
Yeah, then wait. Once you finish, wait. All right, because there are still some people that are looking at it. Don't forget
Finished.
to write and reflect. When you finish, just write in the what? Just write in the chat. Okay. Thumbs up if you finish, please. Don't forget, like I said, you don't need to draw. Okay. All right. In that case, Igor, what do you think the answer to number 1 will be?
I think the answer would be A.
The answer will be A. And of course, you're right. And why is that so? Everyone, please look up. Because if I reflect this, the tip of the triangle is closest to the what? To the mirror line. So I will draw that. The tip of the triangle is closest to the mirror line, but slightly on top. I will draw that. Yeah. So now let's look at which shape has that. It is A. D almost looks like that, but it's not the tip. It is the bottom that is closest to the mirror line. Yes or no?
Yes, Uncle.
Do you guys understand the trick they try to play on us now?
Yes, Uncle.
But they don't know. They don't know. We are smarter. Right? Right, guys?
Yes, Uncle.
Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
Very good. All right. So, Tommy, what about number 2? What do you think the answer will be?
Is it D?
Okay. Tommy, let's look at what happens. We folded this to become this half. Yes or no?
Yes.
And then we folded it again to become what? That quarter.
Yes.
If we unfold it, what must we do to the squares? We must reflect them along the mirror line. So tell me, can you annotate on my screen, Tommy?
No.
Why not? You should be able to click on annotate and click on pen and use your mouse to click on my screen. You should be able to do that.
I don't have that. I only have reactions record and I don't have that.
Okay, can you see where it says 3 ... on your Zoom? Like ...
No.
No?
It doesn't have that.
It doesn't have that. Okay. All right. So Tommy, look, if I reflect this one about the mirror line, it will be here. Yes or no?
Yes.
What about this one? If I reflect about the mirror line, it will be there. Do you agree?
Yes.
What about this one? If I reflect it about the mirror line, it will be there. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now my new mirror line is that. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So now I need to reflect everything about that mirror line. So tell me, what do you think the answer will be if I reflect it about that mirror line now?
C.
it will be C. Does that make sense to you now, Tommy?
Yes, Uncle.
Don't miss out anything and don't jump steps. All right?
Yes, Uncle.
That's it. That's it. The answer will be C. Well done. Well done. Very good. Okay. So let's go on to number 3. So you've got 3, 4, and 5 to quickly do. Everyone, 3, 4, and 5. When you finish, just type fit done in the chat.
Uncle, I know how to annotate now.
Finished, Uncle.
All right. So we have Igor, Tommy. All right. Ifeoluwa, tell us, what do you think the answer to number 3 will be? Don't forget to use the what? The mirror line to reflect the triangles.
The answer is A.
The answer is A. Let's draw it and see if it is correct. So that one will go like that. Yeah. And that one will go like that. And that one will go like that. All right. So the answer is A. Absolutely. You're right. What's going on?
Oh, no, I was just writing the correction would be A.
So why didn't you reflect it the way you were meant to reflect it? Why can't you just open your eyes and pay attention?
I made a mistake.
No,
because
don't make the
I was
mistake.
thinking that A was part of.
One by was part of reflect it along the mirror line. Stop taking shortcuts. You get it wrong when you don't do what I've asked you to do. I guess you want to sleep here tonight.
Sorry, Uncle.
All right, let's move on to number 4. Tell me what is it? Do you have a question?
No, I wanted to say the answer.
I will call you. Don't need, nobody needs to raise up their hand. I will call you when I get to you on my list. Everyone is on my list. All right. Thank you. So Moyo, you're next. Number 4. What would the answer be?
Would number 4 be B?
Okay. Moyo said number 4 will be B. Let's see if she's right. This arrow that is facing this way, that arrow will be facing this way. Yeah. And this arrow that is facing that way, that arrow will be facing that way. So let's see, is B facing that? Yes, the answer will be B. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
See how simple it is. Is it hard at all?
Oh, Uncle.
Oh, all right. And unfortunately, this is the section that most people got wrong. I mean, people got wrong most. All right. I think the next person this time will be Caleb. Number 5, Caleb.
Number 5. The answer for number 5 will be A because on the third one because it's folding up, you should fold it down, which means that there should be it should be like B. Well, you can't forget the other two sides on left and right. That's why it's not B or C, because that's missing a row, and D has the wrong formation. So that means it has to be A, because A includes all of the rules.
All right. That's a very, very smart one, right? What I will do, will be, when it's folded, don't forget, like, it's somewhere in the back here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? So I will just basically repeat that and 0. Yeah? That and 0. And then flip it down. 0, 0, 0, 0. Yeah? That, and that. Am I making sense to you?
Yes, Uncle.
And the only one that satisfies that is A. Does this make sense to everybody?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
Number 6 to 8, everyone. 6 to 8, everyone. Pay attention.
I'm quite finished.
Okay.
Uncle, I'm confused on question 8.
Well, look at it very well. Reflect it along the what? The mirror line. There's no confusion there. Make sure you reflect it. All right. Let me know if you're done, please. You can see some people already writing done in the chat as I asked. Very good. Thank you.
Oh, I'm not confused anymore. Uncle, question 7. There's a circle, and I'm not sure if the 2 squares will be in front or behind of it.
Reflect them along the what? The line. Unfold it the same way it has been folded. Is this not the mirror line? The first mirror line. That's the first mirror line. Then is this not the second mirror line? That's the second mirror line. Think. Yeah, I'm not gonna be there in the exam. Use your mirror line. Your mirror line is your guide. Does that make sense to you?
Yes, sir.
Good. All right, let's move on. I believe everyone should be done by now. We're not here to spend forever on these questions. All right. So, Tomiwa, you're next for number 6.
For number 6, I put B.
Okay, why will it be B?
Because when you fold the 2 corners up and then you put that there, it reflects it, and B is the only one that follows that rule.
So let's reflect it along the mirror line. If you reflect it along the mirror line, it will be fine.
Oh,
yeah. So let's
yeah.
reflect. You will see that the small part of that shape of that trapezium is what is closer to the mirror line, and the big part is there. Yeah. The small is closer. That's why I said try and see if you can sort of draw it out in your mind or in your sheet to help you. And the only one that would look like that is what? Is B. You're very correct. Thank you, Tomiwa. Is this clear, please?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
Should I mark it on?
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, good. Put your hand like that. So the more less you feel, the more you're able to concentrate. All right, let's move on. Number 7. Number 7, Tudor. You're muted, Captain.
I think number 7 would be D.
Okay, he thinks number 7 will be D. No, darling. It's not going to be D. Do you know the problem? You didn't use the mirror line. Use the mirror line. Use the
Mirror line.
Use the
Mirror line.
thank you. So where is our mirror line for the first one? That's our mirror line. Yes or no?
Yes.
How many squares do we have on top?
2.
So how many squares are we gonna have below that line?
Another 2, so 4.
Good. So 2, 2. So that means we have 4. Now the next mirror line is this straight line. That means that will be the mirror line. Yes or no? Sorry.
It's B.
Finally he woke up when he used his mirror line. Finally he woke up. Yeah, when you use your mirror line, the answer is just there staring at you like bread and butter. Or probably like Gary and granite, for those of you that love Gary like me. Yeah, I can see me smiling there, and Caleb, I know you. Anyway, so, and then when you reflect it, you're gonna have another 4 on this side. It's as simple as that. It's all about reflection, guys. So the answer is B. Yes, Tommy, what is it?
I noticed that you have to do everything in reverse.
That is what I said. When you folded it, yeah, you folded it in one direction. Then when you're unfolding, of course, unfold is the reverse of fold.
Yeah.
Makes sense? When you're unfolding it, you are reflecting. Igor, don't eat the computer. I know you want to eat it, but please. Yeah. It's not a bar of chocolate, Igor. Sorry. Yeah.
Talking about food, you're making me hungry.
Well, I can't help that. Yes, Caleb, you raised up your hand.
Uncle, I forgot to tell you something. Tomorrow's my Joshua and Joanne's birthday.
I know. Oh, you think I don't know their birthday? Your dad told me already.
Oh, okay.
Look at you. Igor doesn't know. I don't forget dates. They promised to send me the cake by Bluetooth, so no problem.
Well, what about a goosey soup or jollof rice?
There's gonna be a goosey soup and jollof rice.
Yes.
Okay. That one, I'm coming for that one.
Okay.
All right, let's move on, please. Oh, Igor raised up his hand. Yes, Igor.
And also, I didn't tell you that tomorrow's my grandma's birthday.
Wow. You've got to.
Yes, we've got lots of cake.
Yeah, cake. As in cakes is gonna be like by the time I go back to work next week, I'll probably will have to buy a new jacket because I would have had so much cake and food. Yeah. All right, let's go on to number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Iteolu Akishi.
Uncle.
Hold on, please. Igor, I'll come back to you. Iteolu Akishi, are you ready for me?
Yeah. So I think the answer is D.
Okay, Iteolu Akishi thinks the answer is D. All right, let's see if she's right. If we draw that, that is the at is pointing away. So the at will be pointing away like that. And then this one will go like this, like that. And then this one is at the bottom there. It is this one that is closest to the wall, to the line. So that means we'll have our V like that, and then the at will be like that. Yes or no?
Yes, Uncle.
So that means the answer will be D, as Iteolu Akishi said. Yes. Well done, everyone. Well done. All right. Let's move on to the last beats. Wait, what happened? Okay, so that's number 8. All right. So we're gonna go to number 9, 10, and 11 and 12. Let's do number 9, 10, and 11 first of all. Anyway, 9, 10, and 11. Let me clear the screen so that everyone can see. So you can start now. Thank you.
10 and 11.
What's that?
Finished, Uncle.
All right, thumbs up if you have finished, please. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. By the way, Caleb, I may stop by your house tonight.
Okay.
I think I have a gift for you.
Yes, Uncle.
You know what that gift is, Abby, don't you?
Homework.
Extra work. Extra work, good. That's the only gift me I give now.
Extra work.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yes, Igor.
And when I said that, when you said that you're gonna get lots of cake, I didn't say that you're having any of the cake.
Uncle.
Igor is a case. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah. All right, let's move on. Mercy, you're next. Are you ready for me, darling?
Yes, Uncle.
Mercy is taking number 9, and Mikhail is taking number 10.
Okay, I think number 9 is
And
going.
Glory will take number 11. All right. You ready?
I think number 9 is going to be C.
Okay. She thinks number 9 is gonna be C. Absolutely, you're right, darling. Why? Because don't forget this small arrow here that is facing this way, the reflection will face that way. This small arrow that is facing this way, the reflection will face that way, and that will be that. C. Make sense?
Yes, Uncle.
All right. Let's go on to number 10. Number 10. Number 10. Are you ready?
Yes, Uncle.
Okay. Yeah, Mikhail, come on, go on.
I think number 10 will be C also, because with the first bit, you can see if you was to fold it, the first shape would end up here, and you can see they put something where the shape would be, and then with the second one, you would fold it again, and the back of the shape would be.
So it will be like that.
The gap.
Yeah.
Yes,
and then it will be like that. And then when you reflect it down, okay, you're gonna have a shape like that. And then this one will be like that. Yeah.
Yes,
so the answer is what? C. Very good. Well done. Can you guys see this is so simple? And then I was looking at the assessment and thinking, why did these guys not get it right? Boiling. You know, I have to pour cold water on my head to calm down. Because you guys, I mean, this is so simple. I mean, do you guys agree with me that it's so simple?
Yes, Uncle.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
If you think about all of the SNS PDAs that you've done, this one you don't have to do SNS PDAs. There is just one rule: reflect. Simple. Am I making sense?
Yes, Uncle.
Good.
Yes, Uncle.
Madam Glory, with your new hairstyle, tell us who's the answer.
Would the answer to number 11 be B?
Okay. The answer to number 11, let's see what will happen. You know, we're going to have this, you know, unfortunately. Yeah. And then we're going to have less. But don't forget, it's only half of it that will show. Yeah. Right? This circle, look very carefully, Glory. You know this circle, right? When you fold it, this circle would have cut half away. Yeah. And then we're going to have that also. So which is why the answer is going to be what? B. Yes. Does this make sense, everybody?
Yes, Uncle.
All right.
Uncle.
Tommy, I can't hear you. Are you talking to me or you're talking to someone there?
I'm talking to my dad.
Okay. All right. Then focus, please. The last but not the least, I want every one of you to pick a number between 1 and 12. Don't tell me the number, just pick a number between 1 and 12. All right? And write it in the chat, please. Pick a number between 1 and 12 and write it in the chat. What's your number? All right, Tudor, you're the one that picked the lucky number, number 2. So you're answering number 12 for us, Tudor.
Oh.
Come on, Captain Tudor, we're waiting. I want everyone to answer number 12 in their book first, then Tudor will now tell us the answer. Everyone try number 12 in your book. Let's be... No, don't say the answer yet. Don't say the answer yet.
Finished, Uncle.
Finished, Uncle.
Once you finish, just write it in the chat. You remember I told you you don't need to shout finished, Uncle. Yeah, just write it in the chat that you're done. Write done in the chat.
Out. Okay.
Stop singing. You can just be quiet, yeah? Rather than humming and singing and... Okay, Tudor, tell us the answer.
I think the answer would be B.
Okay, what do you think the answer will be B? Let's see. You're right, darling. Yes, the answer will be B. Very good. Well done. Guys, you see how easy it is?
Yes, Uncle.
You agree with me that this type of non-verbal reasoning question is actually the cheapest. As far as I'm concerned, it is the cheapest. With that being said, I'm going to quickly give you a 5 minutes break. But before you go on the break, send your score to the chat, please. Thank you. Out of 12, send your score. For me, what's this that you sent me? Is that your own score?
What did you say?
Bush boy. No, it's Tommy. No, you Tommy. What? There's Tommy, there's Tomiwa. Are you the only Tommy here?
I didn't even notice. I thought you said Tomiwa.
Okay, I said Tomiwa, Tomiwa. Okay, you can do better by paying more attention to the reflection. Yeah, think about the mirror line. Okay, now all of you are getting 12 over 12, 11 over 12, 9 over 12. If I now give you homework and you do nonsense, I'll ask your parents to ship you to my house. End of story. What do I mean? Pay attention and apply the rule when you're doing my homework. Don't be messing about. Some of you will quickly rush through the homework so that you can go and play game. You can go and watch YouTube. You can go and sleep in your room and eat bread and puff puff. I know you. I won't mention names. Anyway, on that note, 5 minutes break. Come back at 26 minutes past 7. And then the remaining 20 minutes of our lesson, we'll use it to consider another one, which is a reflection also. Yeah, very good. So see you in 5 minutes. Ciao. Go outside, everyone. Is that clear? The answer to number 1 is B. And the reason is because of that shading that is inside. So pay attention to all those shadings because the shading make a lot of difference. Yeah? Very good. All right, let's go on to number 2. Number 2, Glory.
Is the answer for number 2 D?
Please, if you're not answering a question, I need your mic muted because of the background noise. Yeah, we want everyone to concentrate and pay attention. So please do not. You said, is the answer for number 2 what?
D.
B. Let's see if it's gonna be B.
No, D.
D for dad.
D.
For dad or ball? Which one?
Dad.
Okay, D for dad or delta. All right, let's see if she's right. This one is closer. This flag is closer to the mirror. The flag, we go. And the line was going like this to the mirror. So that means the line will go like this. Okay. Yeah, so it couldn't be B automatically. We know that. Could be D. Let's check the second one. The flag was going like this to the mirror. The flag will go like this. Yeah, like that. So yeah, very good. So the answer is D. Well done. Use the what? Mirror line. If you use the mirror line, you will get it right. Stop cutting corners. Look at everything. All right. Thank you, Glory. The answer is D. Igor, you're next for number 3.
I think the answer for number 3 is D.
The answer for number 3, unfortunately, is not D. You didn't look at this very well. Igor,
Yes, Uncle.
if you look,
Is it B?
it is B, because you see this line? The line stopped somewhere here. Well, indeed, the line went to the bottom. You see the problem?
Yes, Uncle.
So look at it carefully, Uncle. Yeah, everything must be reflected and nothing must change. All right, we're gonna take 2 more questions on this, 2 more questions. All right, and we'll round up for today. Our time is fast spent.
Oh, you go down using my distance. Is your tablet charged?
Which tab?
Is it full battery?
All right, so we have number 4 to 6. Number 4 to 6, everyone. I want you to quickly do those. Number 4 to 6, thank you. I'm sorry, question. Thank you.
I finished, Uncle.
One minute to go.
Finished, Uncle.
All right. So In this case, Tommy, are you there?
Yes, Uncle.
Tell me the answer to number 4, please.
Is the answer for number 4 B?
B. Let's see if it is so.
No.
You know how I love to do number 4? If you look, I'll do it this way. Just look at the lines like that. So, do we have it also like that? Yeah, that part is there. Then, like that. Like that, right? And then it goes up and then down. It goes up and then down. Yep. But then you have to be careful and ask yourself, what about the others? How do they cut across themselves? Am I making sense to you? Yeah? Hello, are you following me, please?
Yes.
Yeah, I understand, but I don't understand when you say when they cross the others.
Okay, let me show you. Look at this one. This one was on top, so it should have crossed it this way, isn't it?
Yes.
Do you understand what I'm trying to say? So automatically it couldn't be this one. All right. What about this one? This one overlaps, so it should have crossed it this way. Automatically it couldn't be that one. Is that clear?
Mm. Yes,
Yeah.
Uncle.
All right. Then let's look at D.
Is it?
Yeah, you said want to say something?
Is it not D because for
If you look at that, you see the way they cross themselves?
yes.
Yeah, they should have crossed themselves like that, so it couldn't be D. Yeah, let's look at A. Could it be A?
No,
Why not?
because 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 this one here
Tommy, you need to look very well. Yeah, this one here, I know what you're saying. This one here and this one here, they cross themselves exactly the same way. But if you look at B carefully, Tommy, look at B carefully, you realize that this part is missing. Yeah?
yes.
Whereas that part, when you look closely at here, that part is there. So it couldn't be B. Is that clear to you?
Yes, Uncle.
That means the answer must be what?
A.
A. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
You have to, one thing about reflection is you have to make sure that everything that is on the left is also on the right. Is only flipped. That's all. Is that clear to you?
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
Yes, Uncle.
Any questions, please? Yeah.
The question 4, I thought the answer was going to be C. But
Okay, carry on.
I was gonna say I thought the answer was gonna be C because I was looking at reflection, and then when you said to finish, I realized that the answer wouldn't be C because with reflection, I was reflecting the shape, like just imagining that, like reflecting it, and then like I accidentally put C because I thought that the one on top, all of them are like a kind
But they all look exactly the same, Mikhail. They all look exactly the same. The only difference between them is that some of them have missing bits, right? For example, this one has some missing bits. For example, here, you see, that's the missing bit that this one has. Yeah, this one has missing bits here. This one has. That's the only way, the only difference. So pay attention to the fact that some have missing bits and some do not. Do you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Yeah. It is exactly the same reflection that we've got in everything, and they have the same number. All right. Let's go to number 5, please. Ife.
The answer is B.
The answer is B. Let's see if it is correct. Can he actually be B? If look very carefully at the lines. Let's see if Ife is correct. This arrow is closest, so that arrow will be there. This one went like this, P. Yeah, that means it is bottom that is closest to the what? To the rotating line. Is it the bottom that is closest to the rotating line? I mean, to the reflection line?
No.
No, so it couldn't be that. Yeah, so it could be A, C, D, and E. Well, now let's see if it could be. Can it be E? You see this line at the bottom? Yeah, must cross that circle. Does it cross that big circle there? No, it couldn't be that one. Yeah. Also, we have a vertical over here, not an horizontal over. Here we have an horizontal over, so it couldn't be that. Am I making sense to you?
Yes.
Yeah. Then we have a line that is going away from the mirror like that. That means if we draw it towards the mirror, that means the line will be going like that in the reflection. Yes or no?
Yes.
The line is not here, unfortunately, so it couldn't be that. Is that clear to you?
Yes, uncle.
1 minute, please, guys. 1 minute. That should be my brother because I'm already running. I already run late. 1 minute. Just give me a few minutes. All right. So the answer to number 6 will be what? Will be A. Is that clear to everyone, please?
Yes, uncle.
Yes, uncle.
Yes, uncle.
Yes, uncle.
Oh, sorry, number 5 rather. The answer to number 5 is A. All right, I'm going to answer this number 6. So as you can see, the arrow must be pointing away from the what? From the mirror. Yeah. So the arrow goes to the mirror like that. That means it must be going like that. Yes or no? Yes. So obviously it couldn't be these ones. All right. The lines are going to the mirror like this. That means the lines must be going from the mirror like that. Yes or no? All right. So obviously it couldn't be A. We know it couldn't be E. Couldn't be A because the line inside, the shading inside is not the same. All right. So let's look. Arrow. So it could be C. It could be what? It could be B, C, D. But let's look at C. You realize that this one has extra shapes that are not in this one. So it couldn't be C. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now let's look at this triangle. This triangle is going towards the mirror like that. That means the shape will be going like this. Yes or no? All right.
Yeah.
And if you look at B, you realize that it's flatter more than what it should look like. It is slanted more. Am I making sense to you? So it couldn't.
Yes, uncle.
That means the answer will be what? Will be D. Any question?
No, uncle.
All right. So mark it and send your answer to me, please. Send your score to me, everybody. Send your score to me.
How much is it out of, uncle?
6. 1 to 6 is out of 6.
I've got 2.
Okay, that's fine. Because you didn't pay attention to rotating the line. Okay. All right, on that note, I will see you guys next week. Thank you, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Bye.
Bye, uncle.
Bye.
Bye, Uncle. Thank you for teaching us.
Thank you for teaching us.
Thank you for teaching us. Bye.
Bye. Okay, I believe your mom should be outside.
Thank you for the lesson, uncle.
You can pack up. You're welcome.